In this video, you will see how to save as PDF in LibreOffice for free in Windows and Mac. The procedure is same. To save as PDF, you first need to go to the File option here. At the bottom here, you will see the option of Export As. Under the Export As, go to the Export as PDF to convert the current LibreOffice Writer document to PDF. You will see this PDF options. Under these options, if you want to save all the pages in the document, then select the option all. Or if you want to save certain pages of the file, then you can just enter the range, for example 2 to 4. And when the PDF will be created, only 2nd to 4th pages will be converted to PDF. After that, you can select this compression quality as 100%. And if your document has a lot of images that you want to print properly using the printer, then select the DPI 600. 600 DPI is enough. So after selecting the 600 DPI, when you print the PDF, the pictures in the PDF will be printed sharp. If you want to add a watermark, you can just click on this option and type what you want, for example watermark, and the watermark will appear. Here there are many options, you can just ignore them and then click on export and save the document to your computer. That's how easy it is to save or export LibreOffice document as PDF. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out the useful videos related to LibreOffice Writer. See you again in the next one.